Cop that, cop that, cop that, cop that.
40K on my chain,
Cop that.
designer clothes on my brain.
Cop
They
that.
think they stopping my reign.
Stop that.
Shooters go insane.
Pop that.
100 diamonds on the chain.
Rock that.
I'm a monster in the game.
Lock that.
The girls holler my name.
Jock that.
New single on the way. No, I'm back. Cop that, cop that, cop that, cop that. New single on the way. Cop that, cop that, cop that, cop that, cop that, cop that.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. It feels so good to be back in the grill room. If you've seen the title, you know why you clicked it. Today's video is about the classic Jordan 11 Low IEs. And super dope, man. Classic sneaker. One of my favorites. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So much of my favorites. When these dropped, I rushed to even get these, man. I'm not gonna lie. Not only do these resemble the Jordan 3 look, they just super comfortable, and y'all already know what I feel about Jordan 11 Lows. They're for women and kids. When you add that elephant print and the Jordan 3 look, cement all on it, makes it a classic sneaker. Like I told you, it made me go get these, waiting for these. So let's get into this video, man. You already know how we do. Sneaker Notes. Let's go.
You know the vibes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks.
You know the vibes.
Now, as promised, like I told y'all in previous videos, I've been trying to get to all the Travis Scott merch that I brought. You know, it usually take 3, 4, 6 weeks for them to ship. Everything finally came through. When I say everything, I mean everything, man. I also got some Fair Guard essential stuff. A lot of stuff to get to. But that's another video. Today we talking about the Jordan 11 Low IEs. I always wanted to know what IE stood for. Extraterrestrial, I don't know. But I kind of looked it up last week, and it stands for I told you I just looked it up last week. It stands for International Exclusive. Why? I don't know, because every time these drop, I was able to go to my local Foot Locker and pick them up. These ones I actually won on Sneakers app. Shout out to Sneakers app, man. It's really hit or miss there. Sometimes you hit, sometimes you don't. It's really like a real system. So shout out to them. But I don't know why it stands for International Exclusive. I was able to get them every time they drop. And the last time I brought them was 2018 when they dropped for Jordan's 55th birthday. Happy birthday, Mike. I want to get into these, man. These are like one of the special sneakers. I know they not like highly sought after or whatever, but like I said, if you like it, you buy it, especially if it means something to you. And these sneakers bring back so many memories. So let's get into the review of these, but before we do that, you already know we do have Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the video where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you rocking when you catch this video. Today, speaking of sneakers that mean something to you or you like, that's not hype, today I got on the Jordan Toro 18s or 17s. 18s. They gotta be the 18s. I got on the Jordan Toro 18s. A super comfortable sneaker. A sneaker I just throw on when I want to go outside and I got red on and I don't want to wear any of my exclusive red sneakers. So today on foot, I got on the Jordan 18 Toros in that comment section below. Let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. And without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. Classic Jordan box. Got your gray on the bottom, your gloss black on the top. The top is not connected with the shoebox. But one thing I'm going to tell y'all about this shoebox right here. Yes, it is classic. But whenever you get a sneaker in this kind of shoebox, 8 times out of 10, not 9 out of 10, 8 times out of 10, it's not an exclusive sneaker. Like, let's look at what comes in this box. Usually the 8s. People don't really mess with the 8s like that. Even though my OVO 8s came in a similar box, it just happened to have an OVO YALL on it that changed everything. Your Jordan 10s usually come in this box. We already know how people feel about Jordan 10s. And to be honest, the Concords came in this box before, but it was a little different. But enough of the talking. Let's flip open the lid. As I told you, your black gloss top. Your wax tissue paper, usually seen with 5s, 6s, and 11s. This is an 11, it's just not your ordinary 11. And let's start with the right shoe. Now we're just gonna do a quick 360. And I'm telling you, if you squint your eye and blink a little bit, man, these remind you of the Cement 3s so much, man. Alright, starting with everything we already know. Here you got your whole elephant print. Starting at the mid-toe, all the way around the sneaker, all the way around the back, all the way to the side, back to your mid-toe of your sneaker. This makes the sneaker. Without this sneaker would just be a regular Jordan 11 low without patent leather. So that's super dope. Your leather is at its highest quality if you ask me. This plush leather all the way around should be seen on every Jordan, man. I don't know why sometimes they differ and go a little cheap with the leather, but this leather right here, super dope. Regular shoestrings, if you ask me, I would go with a red pair. It would definitely make the sneaker pop a little more, but I like the blended in of the black shoestring. Don't really hurt the sneaker if you ask me. Right here you have your plush Jordan tongue, usually seen on the Jordan 3, so that gives you more cement vibes. You know, that gray plush with the red inside. Jordan 3 vibes, guys. Jordan 4 actually also. Jordan Bread 4 vibes a little bit. Take out the shoe tree. Regular Jordan shoe tree. And again, I see it's a die-cut sock liner. I swear to you guys, I haven't started seeing that on a shoe tree since this year. Not like I've been looking, but that kind of stands out to me. Your insole is a Jordan red with your Jumpman logo right there. Coming around the bottom of the shoe has your regular Jordan 11 look with your like white Oreo cream in the middle. And I like this not gum bottom, but like more like a sandy gum bottom look. Even though it's going to yellow over time, I like this over just a regular clear bottom look. And at your bottom, your regular Jordan 11 vibes with your chest piece or checker piece inside right there. Now back in 2018 when these dropped on Jordan's birthday, I was more hyped to get them because we haven't seen them a while. And I remember being in high school and rocking these, man. And it was like one of the first pair of Jordans that came out. And actually, whatever sneaker you wore, sock you wore, you was able to see it through the creases. And I remember that being like a big thing back in high school. Now that I'm adult, not so much, but I just remember that nostalgics of the sneaker. Let me know if you was able to cop. They did sell out, but you already know how things go. I just got 5 links that the Great Fives just restocked. And like I told y'all in previous videos, things are not selling out. Not with the nature of the world right now. Jordan Brand has actually made enough sneakers for everyone. So if you want them, I won't say be patient, because right now on StockX you could get these for about $200 to $211. These retail with tax at $185, so that's not a bad deal. So you really don't have to wait on the restock if you really want these sneakers. In the comment section below, let me know how you feel about these, honestly. Like, far as Jordans, Tinker Hatfield put these right on the money, man. I'm not gonna lie. Like, right here is your Jordan 3. You know, I haven't worn in a long time. I think the last time I wore these was walking through LA. But just look at the comparisons, man. Like, it's not far-fetched at all. This is definitely like a low Jordan 3. In that comment section below, man, let me know how y'all feel about these. Again, I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Today I got on foot the Jordan 18 Toros. You know, whenever Jordan put a Toro next to a sneaker, they go crazy. I.e. the 14s that just came out that was all red. Let me know in that comment section below what you got on foot when you caught this video. Again, this is a review of the Jordan 11 low IEs. Super dope, man. Leave a like, subscribe. Help your boy out, man. Everybody, get rich.